Hi, welcome back to Travel Rocks Our World. We've got a project to show you this week. Before we get into the video this week, we've done a bit of a rookie mistake. Since we're supposed to be releasing a video every week, last week's video was on that, and also with some of this week's video, 64 gig memory card got filled up and went to raw file system, and I lost most of the data. Haven't given up on it, so this week's video, well, last week's video is lost, but we still have some of this week's video that I've filmed somewhere else, so it's going to be probably not as long as it's supposed to be. The idea from this came off DiResta's, a guy called DiResta. He does like a lot of, what is it, probably, is it DIY? Probably more than that. He does a lot of making stuff, so I'll link that video so you can see what it's about and how he did it. For myself, even when I was doing it, a lot of rookie mistakes I did, you'll probably see in the video, but in the end I got what I wanted, so it wasn't too bad. So let's go and check it out. Yeah, so that's the little table I made. I'm quite happy with it. I wanted to keep it quite rustic. I did try the spray painting for the holes. As you see, if you do watch the DiResta video, yeah, that didn't work out, so I had to change it. Also, my drill press isn't probably long enough. If it had gone all the way through, it would have probably made the holes a lot easier to put the rods through. Oh well, it's just classic rookie mistakes making woodwork stuff like that, but I'm quite happy with what I ended up with in the end. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Also, for other content like we do travel videos, travel tips, DIYs you've seen, a few gear reviews. So if you want to keep up to date with that as well, subscribe to our channel. And I'll say that'll be about it for this week, and hopefully I don't go to the rookie mistake again and lose all my information I've got, or video footage, and we'll get another video up next week. So thanks a lot, and we'll catch you later.